I plan on buying, based on the astrology, the end of May through July, the Bitcoin lows. Okay, so let's review this very, very interesting astrology. First off, I'm in the Gili Air Islands right now, so I am enjoying some excellent vacation time, but of course I gotta get on here to be with you guys and share this amazing information. So if you haven't already, please subscribe, because I'll be coming out with a lot more epic videos like this. I'm looking at the Bitcoin astrology. Okay, so this is very, very interesting. If you look at the vertical lines here, let's look at the history. These vertical lines are very significant in astrology. This is the North Node when it changes signs into a new sign. And every time the North Node changes into a new sign, we see a major market shift. So the first one back in here in August 2012 was really the start of the next bull market cycle here. We saw this major run. So that was potentially, I would buy that opportunity there. You buy down there and then you go way up. So fantastic buying opportunity there. And then, but the next one, we saw a massive dump, and it's really kind of solidifying the bear market. And then the next North Node transiting into a new sign, we see a massive pump and it basically jump starts the bull run here. And this is very significant, this one right here, because I think we could be in a similar scenario. All right, so I'm going to talk more about that. So notice how this started. We got a massive pump into the bull market here, and it kept rallying for a couple years. So that was a fantastic buying opportunity back then. And then this one, similarly, just really kicks off the bull market massive rally here into 2017, into beginning of 2018. And then look at this one, right when we see, I think it was the day before, we saw this massive dump, the North Node switch signs. Look at that. Right there. Look how significant that is. Major shift in the market. And then for this one, we were building out of bottom, and then we started this massive bull market rally. And then this one here basically solidified the bear market, January 2022. And look at this. We're coming up on the next one, actually July 17th. All right, so what could we see there? Will be very interesting, but this is very exciting, these correlations I'm seeing. And could we see something like this, more choppiness and a correction, and then heading into July 17th? Could we be seeing a slow summer? I'm seeing many, many, many signals that are pointing towards a slow summer. Now, one thing that's interesting is if the majority of people think that we're heading into a slow summer, maybe that is the wrong thing, because so it'll be interesting to see what the majority of people think, because what's one thing that we've learned in investing is that the majority of people are wrong. The masses are wrong. It's the smart money that's right, not the dumb money. So it'll be interesting to see what the market is doing this summer. And let's take a look at the Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index. I don't even have it up right now. I'm in the Gili Islands right now. I'm enjoying myself, so I didn't have this up here. But let's take a look. It's at 52. Yeah, so it's pretty neutral now. So it'll be interesting to see, what people are feeling then. But if everyone thinks we're going to the moon, then we're probably going to have a slow summer. But I'm seeing a lot in the technical analysis that's pointing towards a slow summer. The Fed did hike rates on the May 3rd. It looks like they could either pause, or there is actually a good chance they could hike it one more time. And then the astrology points after July 17th is when they're probably going to pause rates. If they pause rates, then that's extremely bullish. Then we'll probably head into a bull market, or a rally. Yet, if they cut rates, then that would signal that would be very, very bearish. But the astrology is pointing that they'll probably pause for a few months after July 17th. So it'd be very interesting to keep our eyes on that. If they pause, then we'll probably go on a nice rally. All right, so what else could I talk about? So I thought this was very, very significant. When I said in the beginning of the video, doesn't this look pretty familiar? As you know, here's the bull market rally. We saw 2 pumps there. And then we're in the bottom area, which is basically probably where we're at right now. Building out this bottom, we saw this pump here. And then we're heading into the next north node when it switches into a new sign. So could we be right now around here? And could we see a similar correction before a massive rally when the north node transits into a new sign? And then look what happens, it just keeps on going up. Now, when the Fed does cut rates, we probably will see another massive correction. In fact, that might be very bearish. So that'll definitely be keeping us on our toes too. Because as you know, we're dealing with a lot of macro craziness. The macro looks terrible. You know, the 10-year yield is still just still super high right now. Yeah, still super high. We still haven't seen the DXY go below 100. This is the strength of the dollar compared to other currencies. So we still haven't seen this fall yet. When this falls, then that's very bullish for Bitcoin. We might not see that for some time. We'll see. In fact, well, we could see that actually. So I will let you guys know when that happens. All right, so this is what I'm seeing overall with the astrology. I thought this was very, very, very interesting. What I'm seeing with these north node correlations. So who's ready for an amazing buy opportunity this summer? Potentially June through July. All right. So this is amazing information. Definitely subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. If you'd like to get one-on-one support where I will look specifically at your astrology chart and match your specific areas in your chart that could help you build out a rock solid crypto strategy that will help you identify key time windows in the next few months of when it's a good time specifically for you to buy. But to make your own decision on that, it's not financial advice. It's to identify auspicious times that could be critical decision times for you, specifically with crypto. And I can read your chart and I can take you through that step by step. And that could give you information that could, nothing's guaranteed, but it could easily save you tens of thousands of dollars, thousands of dollars, easily, maybe hundreds of thousands of dollars, depending on how much you have invested. But imagine if you knew when were the most auspicious times to make key decisions that will enhance the success of your crypto astrology. So if you would like to get that session, definitely click the link below. Definitely click the link on my YouTube channel. You can sign up for that session. I was going to raise the prices this month, but in all honesty, I haven't had the time to increase the price on the checkout page. So the price is still at only $200. You could grab that now before I raise that price, honestly, because I'm going to raise that price very soon. I was planning to raise the price this month, but you could take advantage of that if you want to jump on that I will definitely raise the price very soon, probably when I get back from my trip. So if you would want to jump on that and get that amazing deal, then you could sign up now. I'm just being totally transparent with you. You have that opportunity due to my mistake. So take advantage of that. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm gonna be coming out with a lot more crypto astrology videos. This could be a really exciting summer, a really great opportunity to make key decisions. So I'm looking forward to it, guys. Definitely subscribe so you can see more videos and share this with a friend who would benefit. All right, much love. I'm gonna go hang out on the beach with my family. All right, have a great rest of your day as well.